Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Alexander Jimenez. I was born in Bogota, Colombia. I live here in Bogota. I am 23 years old. I study systems engineering. I like to play soccer. I like to reading. I like to play video games. I like to drawing, and a few things more. So now I'm gonna show you two pictures, one from bedroom number 1 and the other from bedroom number 2, and we're going to compare two bedrooms. So in bedroom number 1 there are more beds than bedroom number 2. In bedroom number 1 the window is bigger than the window in bedroom number 2. In bedroom number 2 there is a mirror in the wall, and in bedroom number 1 is not. Bedroom number 1 looks warm, and bedroom number 2 looks more cold than bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is more monochromatic than bedroom number 1. And the objects in bedroom number 1 are more minimalist than objects in bedroom number 2. So that's it. I hope you like it, and thank you for your attention. So bye.